Hello guys, do you get typo on your caption of your Instagram post but you have already posted it? Don't worry guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to edit our caption even after we have already posted it. Okay, let's get into it. Open the post that you want to edit and then I'll go with this post. Alright, just click on the post and then you have to click on this three dot button right here. Click this three dot button and there will be some options for you, and we're going to click edit right here. Alright, and now you can edit your caption as you want, and then after you edit your caption you can click on this check mark. Alright, okay guys, that's how we can edit our caption in our post on Instagram. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you. Bye, see you on the next video.